Welcome to Pretty Crafty. Today we're going to be making the stylish hand-woven bracelet. You will need string or twine, tape, and beads for decoration. Take your string and cut it into two pieces, one being twice as long as the other. Secure the string down to your work surface using some tape. This will make it much easier to weave the bracelet. Now we weave our bracelet. First we take one of the side pieces of string, pass it over the middle string and under the string on the opposite side. Then take the other string and pass it under the middle string and over the string on the other side. Repeat this pattern, alternating sides until your bracelet is woven. Remove the tape and thread some beads onto the middle string before tying it together. And just like that, your bracelet is done. Well done on making your own hand-woven bracelet. Have fun making things together with your family and friends. The only limit is your imagination.